Alright guys, welcome to the Thursday directions video, starting our new unit today with just China. So we got a couple of note days coming up to help make those notes make more sense so we're not totally confused on the names, the places, because again, we're not going to be very familiar. I'm assuming that you're not going to be very familiar with this stuff, and because of that, there's a lot of content. It gets kind of confusing. The names aren't names that we're used to hearing, so because of that, they kind of get just lost and forgotten. So to help us out, we're going to watch the Engineering and Empire China video today before we take the notes, so that when we do take the notes, we'll at least have some baseline information, or at least I'll know where the baseline actually is. And I'm just going to assume it's whatever's in the video. I do not expect you guys to know more than that. So if you're an online person, you have the Edpuzzle right here, ready to go. Just watch the Edpuzzle. That's how you get your points. There's like 17 questions embedded. If you're not an online person, if you are an in-person student, we're going to watch it on the smartboard together. So we will not be doing the Edpuzzle one. We'll just be doing a classic video sheet in class. But that's the assignment for today. Tomorrow, Friday, make sure we're just going to do a little CRT, just a little article, answer the questions for tomorrow, so you give you guys some easy points. And still sticking and still trying to help get that baseline of information. So on Monday, we can start taking our notes and everyone will be good to go for that. But that's it. Watch the Edpuzzle today. If you haven't taken the India quiz, make sure you do that. Now it's late, though, so it's 70% is the max. But still take it. 70% still better than 0. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Email me if you have any questions.